Another draw command that we can use to create objects is the polyline or the Pline command. The Pline command is basically similar to the line command, except that the resulting object may be composed of a number of segments which form a single object. How do we activate the polyline or the Pline command? Just like the line command, we can either click the icon found in the drawing panel, or we can just type in letter P, L on our keyboard and then press enter. The first prompt is to specify the start point. So again, in specifying the start point, you can either enter the exact coordinates or select anywhere on your drawing area. So just make a left click if there's no specific coordinates given. And then again, if you will try to move your cursor, a rubber band line is showing you the possible location of the second point of the line segment that you are creating. So for example, I will choose this part as my next point. And then if I will try to make another line segment connected to the very first line segment that I created, I will just select this part as the next point, another one. So if I'm done with the command, it's the same thing as with the line command. I can just press enter or the escape button on my keyboard. So if you will try to select the object, you will see that you have selected all the line segments. And if I will try to move it, I will be changing the whole or the other line segments as well. Unlike when we use the line command, if I will just choose this part of the object and then try to stretch it, that is the only line segment that is changed. And you can edit each line segment in an object that is formed out of the line command. While in the Pline command, you cannot edit each line segment separately.